Hey guys, today we are going to be talking about e-commerce, the future of shopping. There are various benefits to shop online. It saves time, you can get cheaper deals, you have numerous options, and it is easily accessible to everyone. But the question is, how do I build an e-commerce website? Well, first of all, we have to consider the software and hardware requirements. Basically, there are two sides, the server side and the client side. Let's start with the server side. Moving on, we have the basic hardware. Now let's talk about the client side. When creating an e-commerce website, you have to follow the 7 stages of the standard development process. The first stage is planning. The major focus of this stage is to produce a plan to guide the execution of the project. Stage 2, system analysis and requirements. This stage is about deciding what is the best hardware, software, and features for the website. In stage 3, you have system design. Well, as the name suggests, system design is all about designing the ins and outs of the website. Stage 4 is development. In this stage, the website will be developed based on the design in stage 3. Stage 5 is integration and testing. Once everything is set in place, we have to test the website to ensure that it is fully developed. Stage 6 is deployment. In this stage, the product is considered to be ready to be used in a live environment. And finally, the last stage is operation and maintenance. During this phase, maintenance activities such as software updates are taken place to maintain the quality of the website. Now, let's take a look at two of the biggest e-commerce websites. Notice that there are similarities and differences of both websites. Let's start with the similarities. Now we take a look at the differences. The first difference between Lazada and Amazon is that in Lazada, you can actually purchase as a guest, while in Amazon, you have to log in. The second difference is that there is a bunch of different paying methods that you can use on Lazada, while on Amazon, you can only pay using your credit or debit card. Number 3, we have login methods. Besides using your Lazada account, you can log in using Facebook or Google+, while on Amazon, you can only log in using your email. There's a feature on Lazada where you can message the seller directly and ask for more information about your products, while on Amazon, there is no such feature. And lastly, the fifth difference is that on Amazon, you can make comparisons between products, while on Lazada, you cannot do that. However, these e-commerce websites are far from perfect. There is so much more that can be improved, so here are some suggestions. In my opinion, Lazada should increase their language options so that customers that are not fluent in English and Bahasa Melayu can use the website with ease. Besides that, Lazada should add a feature for customers to compare the products of different sellers. As for Amazon, They should increase the number of different paying methods. For example, with Lazada you can pay using PayPal, online banking, or even 7-Eleven. Amazon should also have a live chat feature so that there is direct communication between the customer and seller. Consumers must also take precautions when using e-commerce websites. One of the biggest concerns regarding e-commerce websites is the leakage of valuable information of the consumer. Besides that, there's a large amount of counterfeit products that are being falsely advertised online. And finally, some sellers are breaking the law by selling copyrighted and trademarked products in the market.